United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 187, Jurisdiction of the Seabed Disputes Chamber. The Seabed Disputes Chamber shall have jurisdiction, under this part, and the annexes relating thereto, in disputes, with respect to activities in the area falling within the following categories. A. Disputes between states parties concerning the interpretation, or application of this part, and the annexes relating thereto. B. Disputes between a state party and the authority concerning I. Acts or omissions of the authority, or of a state party alleged to be in violation of this part, or the annexes relating thereto, or of rules, regulations, and procedures of the authority adopted in accordance therewith, or 2. Acts of the authority alleged to be in excess of jurisdiction, or a misuse of power. C. Disputes between parties to a contract, being states parties, the authority, or the enterprise, state enterprises and natural or juridical persons referred to in Article 153, paragraph 2b, concerning I. The interpretation or application of a relevant contract or a plan of work, or 2. Acts or omissions of a party to the contract relating to activities in the area and directed to the other party, or directly affecting its legitimate interests. D. Disputes between the authority and a prospective contractor, who has been sponsored by a state as provided in Article 153, paragraph 2b, and has duly fulfilled the conditions referred to in Annex 3, Article 4, paragraph 6. And Article 13, paragraph 2, concerning the refusal of a contract, or a legal issue arising in the negotiation of the contract. E. Disputes between the authority and a state party, a state enterprise, or a natural or juridical person sponsored by a state party as provided for in Article 153, paragraph 2b, where it is alleged that the authority has incurred liability as provided in Annex 3, Article 22, f. Any other disputes for which the jurisdiction of the Chamber is specifically provided in this Convention.